Bonjour, c'est Clara, French in the Midlands. This video is about how to translate nearly in French. There's two separate ways of doing it, one that you probably know and one that you probably don't. Before we carry on, I just want to say you can claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description. It's perfect for beginners. Or if you want to study a bit of French to be more conversationally fluent, if you want to string sentences together from day one with everyday expressions and vocab, this course is for you. So click the link and see what it's about. The one that you probably know is presque, which means almost or nearly. For instance, bon, tu es prêt? J'arrive, j'ai presque fini. Right, are you ready? I'm coming, I'm nearly done. Straightforward, you put it in the same place as nearly in English. J'ai presque fini. Second example, le parc est presque désert. The park is nearly empty, or deserted as we say. Thomas a presque 18 ans. Thomas is almost 18 or nearly 18. So far, very straightforward. Remember the word presque. Now, the one expression people don't know to translate nearly is j'ai failli, and that translates as I nearly or I almost. You will only use it for near misses. Let me give you an example. Je suis hyper stressé. J'ai failli rater mon avion. I am super stressed. I almost missed my flight. You see, because it's a near miss, you almost did something but not quite. J'ai failli. And you can use it with any person you want, not just je. For instance, Solange a failli avaler une limace tout à l'heure. Solange nearly swallowed a slug earlier. Now, I wish this was pure fiction, but I actually know someone to whom it happened, so I didn't just pluck it out of nowhere. That's a good near miss if you ask me. You could say in English nearly ate or nearly swallowed. For effect, we say avaler in French, that's to swallow. And also, you could say la voisine a failli tomber dans l'escalier du métro. The neighbor nearly fell down the metro stairs. Now, I hope you won't shy away from using j'ai failli because it's really useful for any near misses. Try and remember that one. And that's it for now. Please give me a like if you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. À bientôt!